part 2. So they've been sitting in there. I forgot about them, so they sat all night. I'm going to take them out, and they do look better. They don't look perfect. We'll see what happens. This is actually acid, and it's this type of acid right here that we use for surface prep. So it's cheap. You get it at Home Depot. It's acid, so be careful. I'm going to put it in some water. Use some gloves. Put them in some water, wash them off, and then we'll take a look, and I'll give you the results. So stand by. All right, so it just wipes off. So that's a good sign. Nice, messing up my floor here. All right, so we're gonna take them to some water, and try not to get it all over my floor. So hold on, let me wash these off, and we'll go to the next step. All right, neutralized in my sink, shop sink, so my wife doesn't go crazy. And get to the clean room. That is a freaking mess. Let's drop them up here. Get these gloves off. All right. I think it's successful. There is some discoloration, but all the holes are super clean. Right? Right? It's done a really great job. If I left it in longer, it would probably be even better. I just used this brass. This is it's actually a Chinese brass brush out of, look, it doesn't hurt your fingers or anything like that. So I used this nylon brush and this brass brush out of like pistol cleaning kit. But they went in, if you check the other video, they went in that nasty, right? And they, with a little brush work, they ended up like that. So completely serviceable, usable like this. As long as you can see through all the jet holes, you're in good shape. So I'm going to check down through the, oh, look at that. You can almost see through there. And these were plugged solid, and you can see the light through the jet now. Okay, that's a good sign. All right, so I'm going to say that stuff is a success. So you are welcome. You want to go back out there and take a look at what that stuff was? Hold on one second. Let's run through the shop real quick. Home Depot, actually Home Depot online. That's it right there. Skyco, whatever it is. We use it for actually etching frames like this. It does this to new metal frames and this to milled metal. So that way when we're waiting on a project, this one's literally been sitting about a year. It sat, we started on it and then it got sidetracked because of that one. And you can see an untreated frame. Oh, this is only like 4 months. But you can see how it gets surface rusted right away. And like I said, that one's been a year. And it's in great shape. Look at this, right? So that's what we typically use it for. But I needed to clean up those jets, and there you go. Just cut a little water bottle in half, or down to a third. Put a couple ounces in it and saved some jets. So awesome. Hope you guys can use it. I'd actually I don't know if I'd stick aluminum in there yet. I'd probably need to kick that around. All right, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and we're out of here.